guys, welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting and much interesting video here on the channel. So the celebration went down yesterday for the birthday celebration of Onwa Nalife, and also they were also celebrating the release of their beloved friend and brother, that's Obi Cubana, after the EFCC torment and all of that. I'll be bringing you the entire highlight. Like, this is the celebrant and the wife, and they all have a wonderful time. E-Money, KC, Ike Ogbonna, Alex Ekubo, name them. I can't, the list is endless. They were all there. They all came out for him and they all had a wonderful time. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share, comment in the comment section. Your thoughts, your comments are highly welcome. Harry Ike, which is popularly known as Onwa, is someone who has been helpful to people, and yes, celebrating him is nothing really a big deal because he's loved. celebration out there for Onwa. I am talking of no other person but Henry Ike, who is a close friend and brother to E-Money KC. And Alex Ekubo and the rest of others, they did not fail to deliver. They were all there. They went there for him, to celebrate with him on his new age and all he has achieved. Anyway, most of you who don't know this guy, let me tell you something really simple that you will use in knowing Henry Ike. A few months ago, Davido sampled the car, and 2 weeks later, Onwa Alife bought that same car, shipped it to Nigeria, and he went viral after that. Anyway, he's a good guy and he's a close associate to, close friend to, not even friend, a brother to E-Money KC, and a friend to Obi Kubana. They all celebrated him and had a wonderful time out there. One Igbo Amaka Chubego. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment below. See you guys on my next video.